Good morning students. Now I continue my class. Some more patterns now we will study. Suppose see dots. This is the dot. What is the square of this dot? 1. Means one row, one column, 1. That like that way. Suppose this is how many dots are there? This is the 2 dots. 2 rows, 2 columns. This is called square. Square of 2. How much is that? That is 4. Then square of the 3. 3 square. How much will come? 3 square means 3 dots in 3 rows, 3 columns. Like that way, this is the pattern. You have to see 4. What is that? 4 square. That is 4 dots in a row and 4 columns. This is the pattern of squares, square pattern. See, each row is 4 and each column is 4 columns are there. So it is 4 4 16. Like that way 5 means it will come 5 in a row, then 5 columns. This is the dots pattern. 5 5 25. So 5 square is equal 25. This is square. Another some more patterns are there. That is suppose 3, 6, 9, 12. What is the pattern? This is 3 n pattern. N is the number. Then this is in n. You see that n plus that digit you write once means it will come to. In n plus 2 you write 2 3s, it is 6. In n plus 3 another 3 write 9. Like that way it is one pattern. 3 6 9 12 15 18 like this. This is one pattern. Another geometrical pattern is there. That is suppose a quadrilateral is there. How many diagonals are there? How you find? That is the n minus 3. N means total number of sides. N minus 3. Number of sides. How many number of sides are there? 4 sides are there. Then minus 3 you do. How many will come? It is diagonal means any vertex to opposite sides. So one diagonal is there. Suppose like that way. Hexagon. Hexagon, how many sides are there? 5 sides are there. How many diagonals are there? Then how will do? N minus 3. N minus 3 means how will come? How many sides of the figure? How many sides are there? 5 sides are there. 5 minus 3. It is 2. Diagonals is not repeat that line. So here 2 diagonals are there. Like that way these are called geometrical figures. Like that way another figure it is. See how many sides are there? That is 6 sides are there, hexagon. Then how many diagonals it will create? See, it is just 3 n minus 3. What is n? N is equal to how many sides? 6 sides are there. 6 minus 3. It will come 3. How it will come? See? 1, 2 and 3. This is the geometrical pattern. Then see in your exercise page number 246, the exercise 12.4, you see here patterns given. In this pattern, what is the formula? 5n plus 1. In this pattern, this is 3n plus 1. And in this pattern, it is 5n plus 2. If the number of digits formed is taken to be n, these number of digits are n, the number of segments required to form the n digits. So here given, question is given, how many segments are required to form 5, 10 and 100 digits of the kind 6. This is one and this is another and this is another. This pattern, how many? 1. Then this is the formula is 5n plus 1 and this formula is 3n plus 1 and this formula is 5n plus 2. This way you have to find. If the n is equal, see, n is equal, if n is equal 5, first you put this one, this pattern, see, this is the pattern, this is 5 and plus 1. So in place of n you put the 5, then how much will come? 5 5 25 plus 1 26. This pattern 5 will put means it will come 26. Then you take 10 in place of n you write 10. Then how much will come? 5 10 50 plus 1 51. Next, suppose in place of n you put the 100. Then how much will come? 5 10 500 500 plus 1 501. Like this way you have to complete the other patterns also. Do you understand? This pattern, this is the formula, this pattern, this is the formula, this pattern, this is the formula. It is 1 2 3 4 line segments are there. That's why 3n plus 1 came. It is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 line segments are there. That's why 5n plus 2 means 1 means 5 into 1 plus 2, it is 7 come. It is 7 and it is 4 1 2 3 4 and it is 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, like this pattern you have to follow and do the number 1. Next, number 2. Next is question number 2. You see that use the given algebraic expression to complete the table of number pattern. Here number pattern given, you have to use the table. How you will write? One number given, but also I am doing here. See, 2n minus 1. Serial number 1 is 2n minus 1. In 1 you will put in the place of n. How much will come? 2 into 1 minus 1. 2 1 is 2 minus 1. How much will come? It is 1. You write here 1. Suppose in place of n, 2. Second you write. Then second pattern. Then 2 into 2 minus 1. How much? 2 2 is 4 minus 1, 3. Right that way? Suppose 3 is there. 2 into 3 minus 1. 2 3 is 6 minus 1 equal to 5. So you write 5. Then fourth means in n plus you write 4 minus 1. 4 2 is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. Suppose fifth, 5 you write in place of n minus 1. 2 5 is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. Suppose 10th form. What you will do? In place of n you write 10 minus 1. How much will come? 2 10 is 20 minus 1 equal to 19. It is 19. Suppose 100 pattern is there. Then what you will write? In place of n you write 100 minus 1. 100 into 2, 200 minus 1 equal to 199. How much? 199. Like that way, how much he is asking, that's why you have to complete the table. Do you understand? Suppose number 2, serial number 2, 3n plus 2. 3n plus 2, in place of n you write first term. First pattern, suppose that is one pattern is there. Then you write in place of n 1 plus 2. How much will come? 3 1 is 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So you write here 5. Next, 2. In place of 3, in place of n, you write 2 plus 2. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2, how much is that? 8. Like that way, third pattern. Third pattern means again you write 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 3 is 9 plus 2 equal to 11. So write here 11. Then fourth pattern. 3 into 4 plus 2. 3 4 is 12 plus 2 equal to 14. Like that way, suppose 10th pattern is there. 10 in place of n you write 10. 10 3 is 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. Then 100 pattern, how much will come? 100 patterns means that is 100 figures. That is 100 into 3, 300 plus 2 equal to 302. Like that way you have to use the algebraic expression to complete the table. Number pattern. Do you understand how you do the number pattern? This much for today. Next class we will discuss some more numbers. Thank you.